Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add gradient to your background inside of any section in Kajabi. So let's just go to Google and type in something like gradient CSS, and that's going to bring you up to cssgradient.io. Over here, you can create your own gradient using some color code. Right now I'm just going to use something random. Let's say I want to apply this gradient, which looks like this. Okay, it has two colors. Maybe just look. Let me use this thing and apply a radius to it. Okay, so you're gonna get a preview over here. The preview of what the gradient is gonna look like. Um, right now, what I'm going to do is just gonna keep the code over here. I'm going to go inside of my Kartra account. Here, I'm gonna create an empty section, and in that section, I'm gonna add a column, and inside of that column I'm gonna add some text to it. Okay, this works with any kind of section. I'm just using um, this section as an example. Okay, here what you can do is first thing is first thing is you can just right click on your mouse and click on inspect. Now that's gonna bring up the inspector. On the inspector, just hover over the section. Okay, so for instance, I need this section, the id for I need the id for this section. Okay, that's how I'm going to target this section and add uh, the gradient to it. So just scroll up. Okay, inside of your inspector you're going to find something called li. Okay, below this li there's an iframe, and in this iframe you're going to find an id. Okay, this is the id. It's going to say something like id equals to um, some random text. Just copy that id. Okay, just copy that id, go inside of your styles, click on custom styles, add a pound sign. Okay, the pound sign do need um that's how you target an id. Okay, so just add a pound sign and add the random text, add two curly braces, and inside of those curly braces just paste the css code. You can click over here, copy to clipboard, copy that, and just paste it over here. That's it. That's all you need to do. Click on publish, and after you click on save over here. You cannot see what it says. Okay, I think it says save code, but I cannot see it. Cancel that. Click on publish live. You're not gonna see the css, the gradient applied inside of the editor, but when you preview it, when you click on go to a new page and publish it and go to the page, you're gonna find the gradient over here. Now this is the gradient. Now let's just try applying the a different gradient to the same section. Okay, let's just copy that, close over here. This is the id for this section. Okay, this is the id for this section. Click on apply. I think it says apply over here. Click on apply, cancel that, click on publish live. It will take some time. And now you see a different gradient article. So hope this helped. Let me show you another way. Let's say I'll add a second section to it. Okay. So let's say for instance, just copy, no, not this section. Okay, I added it anyway. All right. So let's say I want to add a gradient to this section. So first thing is I'll just remove the background from this. Okay, there's an image selected. I'll unselect the image. I click on confirm. Okay, now the image has been deselected. Um, just click over here and reset this thing. Reset the background color. Okay, now I'm gonna add a gradient to this section. The first thing is again right click, click on inspect. I'm gonna bring up the inspector. Inside of the inspector, just click on this arrow icon. Okay, it says inspect. Click on inspect. Here, select the section you want to target. So I'm not going to target the first section. I'm going to target the second section. Just click over there, scroll up, find the iframe. Inside of the iframe, you're gonna find the ID, copy the ID, go to your style tab, add a pound sign, paste the ID, add two curly braces, and inside of the curly braces, add the CSS code for that. Um, let's say this one. I want to add this gradient to it. Just copy the gradient code, come over here, paste it, apply, cross this, cancel that, and then publish it. So publish it, come over to the preview link, just refresh it, bam. This is the gradient that we applied to the section. So hope this helped. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.